So I have a few barbell collars that I have laying around, and I try to organize them by putting them in bins or its own little place somewhere in my garage, and it always seems to be in the way of everything. So I'm taking a 2 feet long oak plank, sand it down, recess 6 holes into them. Each holes are going to be about 1.5 inch in depth. The diameter of the holes are 2 inch because I will be using a 2 inch dowel to plug the holes. So here's a 2 inch dowel using the bandsaw to cut them. I attempted using a circle saw, but it would just burn my hand because it would spin. So just gonna apply some wood glue into each holes and then apply some glue on the edge of the dowels and then insert them via friction. I'm not going to put any nails or screws behind it. This here should be enough strength to hold the barbell collars. So this is how it looks like in the end. I'm able to store my barbell collars, my wrist wrap, and my wrist and ankle weights. I hope this helps you with your build because I can't find these anywhere on the market, so hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.